In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load, trim, and enhance audio with Audiomass. Open your browser and head to audiomass.co. This is a free, browser-based audio editor, so there's nothing to install. Once the page loads, bring in your audio by clicking Load from Computer, or simply drag and drop your audio file into the window. You'll see the waveform appear almost immediately, which means your track is ready to work with. To edit a specific part, click and drag across the waveform to highlight the section you want. The highlighted area is what will be affected by any edits you apply. For precise control, use your mouse wheel to zoom in and fine-tune your selection. Small zoom adjustments make it much easier to cut out breaths, tighten pauses, or isolate a troublesome noise. If you need to trim or delete something, keep that section selected and press the backspace key. You can also click the scissors icon to remove it. This is great for cutting out mistakes, long silences, or unwanted intros. You're only removing the highlighted portion, so take a second to double check that your selection starts and ends exactly where you want. To enhance your audio, select the part you want to change, then go to the Effects menu at the top. Effects apply to the selection you've highlighted, which helps you be surgical and avoid changing parts that are already sounding good. Gain lets you raise or lower volume. Fade in and fade out create smooth beginnings and endings. Noise reduction. Usher voice helps reduce constant background noise and hum for clearer speech. Paragraphic EQ gives detailed control over specific frequencies, while Graphic EQ and Graphic EQ with 20 bands offer quick visual tone shaping. The compressor evens out loud and soft parts, and Normalize sets the overall level to a clean, consistent peak. Hard Limiter caps excessive peaks to prevent clipping. Delay adds echoes, distortion adds grit and character, and reverb creates a sense of space. Speed up or slow down adjusts time while preserving pitch, while playback rate changes both speed and pitch together for creative effects. Reverse plays audio backward, invert flips the phase for special cases, and remove silence can automatically cut silent gaps to tighten pacing. Work gradually, listen between changes, and focus on clarity before creativity. With careful selections, trims, and a light touch on effects, Audiomass makes it quick and intuitive to polish your audio right in the browser.